This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable website images in the Chromium web browser. I will be using Ubuntu 24.04 for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Chromium web browser opened up now. To enable or disable website images, by default, they should be enabled. One reason you might want to disable them is if your internet service has a data cap. That's why Chromium gives you the option to enable or disable the website images. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, toward the very bottom, you want to click on Site Settings. Then you'll scroll down to the Content area, and in the Content area, right here, Images. You want to click on Images, and under Default Behavior, by default, the top one should be toggled on. Sites can show images, but you could disable that by toggling on the bottom one. Don't allow sites to show images. That is how to enable or disable website images in the Chromium web browser. Thanks for watching.